Hey, what's up everyone? So our topic for today is how to remove your widgets, and of course this will also save your battery. So let's get started. First, just swipe this to left and then go down, press this edit, and then press this minus button and press this remove. Same goes, press this minus, remove, minus, remove, minus, remove, and you're done. And also you can get it back if you wanted. And that's it. I hope it helps you a lot. Please request any video tutorial, just comment it down below and let's try doing it. And I'll see you on my next video.